If you missed our last episode, we are at the reef out from Airlie Beach. We need a really good weather window to come out here because we don't have an island to tuck behind if the weather turns bad. We are also travelling with our good friends from Pacific Star. This is an added bonus and security in case something was to happen, like your tender breaking down in the middle of nowhere. Hey Josh. Always nice to have company.
I hope you enjoy our tasty episode.
And a whole... So, it's just a lazy afternoon. I made a car shop. Just having an iced latte. And it's gone on.
9.9 knots.
It's going through here at 8.9 knots. Wow. So pretty much it's just spitting us out that skinny section there. We're just going around to hopefully find a new anchorage.
So we can try and go through this way.
Yeah.
Like we should be able to get through.
Yeah.
But it does look like it's shallow there, or we can go the long way.
How much extra is it?
Probably a half a mile or a mile.
Yeah. I don't mind. It's up to you. Whew, look at that water. We're just coming closer to our anchorage. And we've got Pacific Star behind us. And yeah, we'll see how it is here tonight in the middle of the ocean, in the middle of the reef. Can you explain to us what we're doing? I'm gonna hold this. Oh, that's a big one. Lucky we didn't drift over that one. And now we're just drifting over the shallow stuff. So looking at what we can see. Hey Ren, what can you see? Ren, don't bite that please.
Hello.
Is there any fish?
No.
No. Just water. Sweet. Just having a little sunset snorkel. Oh wow. Look at that coral! Wow, Vinny! That looks pretty amazing. Alright, we're at Black Reef. We're going on a little mission.
Oh, no, wait please.
We saw a sand K out of the water on the way in here, so we're hopefully going to go find it. Let the kids have a run around. Hopefully get some good drone footage.
So, I am excited.
We've got Vinny, we've got Sailor, Zara, we've got Ren. Oh, we're back here. Just need a phone for navigation. How you going? At least you guys brought drinks, I guess.
Maybe a broken tabby.
Here she is.
Oh my god.
Can you pull you out?
Hello, Princess Chicken.
We'll just be going slow. We're not too far, yeah. Alright, we're still going.
Sure,
we're just gonna go
appreciate
slow.
it.
Yeah. It's not very big though. How you going there, Josh?
Yeah, amazing. Thanks for asking.
Can you still drink your beer? Or
I can, yep.
Oh, yep. Good.
Just celebrating another day in boat life.
Oh, boat life, fixing things and stuff breaking. Here we are. We made it. Go, Taylor! Go, Sailey! Yo! Oh, good kill! So we actually forgot our phone that controls our drone this trip, but we came back the next day when the tides were even higher and got some footage. Enjoy!
Yeah, sunny day, Jesus right now.
It wasn't me, it was the ocean. I just turned to go with it, so we didn't have a right load of water.
Oh, now it's not big. Go back and do it again.
No.
It was very good. I was like, geez, we're not supposed to get this back.
Never a dull moment. Boat raft up. Woo! Out in the middle of the reef.
Your dog's on your big boat.
Jeez.
Look at this water. It's like a swimming pool. Amazing. Zara, come. Kids want Zara in our boat. We're going to go for a little snorkel again today.
See how to deep. No, I can dive all by myself, but just in case you just drown, the dolphins will save you.
What can you see, Roo?
Daddy's.
Gone for our probably final spearfish / snorkel today. We're at Black Reef. Taking the guys, we've got Zara with us. We'll hopefully find a new spot to look at.
What's up, boys, guys?
Look at that! What a masterpiece! Let me just get the bag. Holy moly! That is huge!
That's yummy.
Whoa! Look at this! Crayfish, coral trout,
Looking forward to this.
and a whole cooked coral trout.
You like it? Stop banging it.
What have we got here, Vin?
Quiet.
A cray lollipop?
Yeah, spot.
Whoa! Show me. Show me how it's done. Oh, wow.
Wolvie Forbes.
Wow, eat it. Let me see how it... Is it tasty?
Yeah.
How you going, Vin? You supplying the goods? Oh, well done. Good job. Explain to me what you're doing here, Vin.
Open a crate.
Open the crate?
Thank you for watching us.